everyone, welcome to SQ TV. I'm your host Rajni Bharara, and today on the show, guys, I have with me a very special doctor. His name is Dr. Karim, and he is a veterinary doctor. And he is a veterinary doctor, and I would like to tell you guys that today on this episode, we are going to speak with him about how can we take care of our pet animals, street animals, and also how can we stop their pregnancy and how can we take care of the animals during their pregnancy. Well, we know a lot about humans, but today it's time to talk about animals. So without any further ado, let's welcome him to SQ TV. Hello, Dr. Karim. Welcome to SQ TV.
Hello.
Dr. Karim, so, without wasting any time, I would like I've mentioned, that today's topic of discussion is going to be about animals and how can we take care of the street animals, our pet animals, and also about, their pregnancy. I mean, how can we take care of them during their pregnancy and how can we stop their pregnancy so that, we should not have too many animals and then we should not get them homeless. So, which is happening in today's time quite often. So, I would like to know from you my very first question. So, my very first question is going to be, what should we give our pet animals to eat? If you can please talk about that.
First of all, as a veterinarian, I would recommend that there are lots of foods. I would like to say that for pet animals, a pet parents should be must aware of this. They need a high amount of proteins, carbohydrates, minerals, and fats, etc.
Okay.
They have a particular habit of eating. That is, they would like to eat a small quantity of food throughout the days. For the whole days, actually. Okay, from the first breakfast, we can start from some commercial foods. We can feed them like commercial foods. Nowadays, many commercial foods are launched there, so we can give them the commercial foods like pedigree, Royal Canin, etc., etc. And there are many brands. According to the owner, a pet parents should check first that which commercial food is suitable for them, because we all know that in case of humans also. All commercial foods are not for all humans actually. They're not suitable for all humans. For example, some animals are getting suited from Royal Canin. Some other animals doesn't get suited from that particular foods like Royal Canin actually. So we have to check. Then a pet parent should get aware from this. At the very time of breakfast, they can try sometimes you can see that many times like commercial food like Royal Canin and pedigree. After eating pedigree, they used to vomit. But that means the animal is not suitable for the food. Okay. So we can so we have to, I can recommend to owner that start from the very small quantity, from the very small quantity.
Okay.
If the food suits your pets, then continue with it. Otherwise, withdraw this. Change the brand. Like there are many other brands of commercial food like Formina, etc., etc. Yeah. Like after the weaning period of the pets, after 36 to 40 days, up to 3 months of age, they should be fed liquid food or semi-solid food. Not it is better to avoid such type of solid foods like rice, chicken from the very beginning. From the very beginning, you should avoid it.
Both for whether cat or dog or whatever animal that you have. So I was saying, so for any animal that you have, I mean, whether it's a cat or a dog or any animal, pet animal that you have, so you should not give them, chicken or that solid food.
No,
you're saying
from the very beginning, solid food is not recommended actually. From the very beginning.
Oh, okay.
From the very at least up to 2.5 months. Okay. There are many commercial foods, commercial liquid feedings are there. After the weaning period, there are many commercial way of foods like they have the Samolac and they are Inulac and other type of cereal foods are there. So we can feed them like this.
Okay.
From the first 3 months, up to 2.5 months of age, we can feed them this type of liquid feeding and other commercial foods are there. Like you can get Royal Canin seeds, which after mixing with lukewarm water, they used to get semi-solid. The semi-solid
Mhm.
foods we can give to them. And after 2.5 months of age, we have to start slowly the solid feeding.
Okay.
Slowly. We have to start with a very small quantity of the food. The very small quantity of food we have to start. Then after 3 months, 4 months, we have to gradually increase the
Mhm.
quantity of the food so that they get adapted to that. After 4 to 5 months, they used to get we should not give them. Like first time, I will say that chocolate. So I got very many cases regarding this. That one owner came to my clinic and he's asking that sir, he ate a lot of chocolates yesterday, and after
Yeah.
that he just vomited. So it's not recommended actually. Chocolate is
Okay.
really poisonous to animals. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
that should be avoided. Foods in
Mhm.
case of foods like we used to feed them at the lunch like chicken. We can feed them many types of chicken, rice,
Mhm.
and other vegetables. Like we can give them papaya. We can give them pumpkin. We can give them carrot, beans, etc., etc. Like broccoli, it's
Mhm.
highly recommended. Broccoli is highly
Mhm.
recommended actually. We can feed them, and in the dinner, it's better to
Mhm.
go for the go for the same. No problems there, but
Mhm.
sometimes they need some liquid feeding like soups,
Acha.
like chicken
Okay.
soup, etc. Chicken soups. For example, they have the lunch lunch in the lunch. At the lunchtime they have like chicken rice. In the dinner, it would be better to go for the soup like chicken soup or chicken soup mixed with some carrots and beans and other
Okay.
vegetables. It's about up
Okay.
to owner's choice actually. We can feed them many
Mhm.
types of vegetables, many types of red meat should be avoided actually. Actually,
Okay.
it's
Red meat.
red meat should be avoided. You can give them sometimes, but very rare. You can give them as a treat, but not much. It should be
Okay.
the most important thing a pet parents should keep in mind that the food should be freshly boiled, not added any types of masalas, etc. So no needed of that. This turmeric powder is recommended. Therefore,
Mhm.
food must be totally hygienic, totally fresh, and totally boiled. Actually,
Mhm.
it may be chicken, it may be rice, it may be other vegetables. All the foods should be boiled. We used to feed them like 4 times a day. Within 24 hours, we can feed them 4 times. In the middle
Mhm.
of the time, if they want to eat, they can. No problem. It's there. Like from at the first, we can give them like commercial foods along with waters and other. We can give them bananas, etc., etc.
Mhm.
And as a lunch, we can give them chicken or rice. In the evening, we can give them some snacks, their dog foods, etc. And
Mhm.
in the sorry, at the dinner time, we have to go for the soup. Rice is also may be there. Rice may be there at the dinner time. It's not, I'm not saying that no rice is recommended at the dinner time. I will not say that. But
Mhm.
in some cases, in some not many cases, it's better to go for the soup. At least at the night.
Okay. Okay. But Dr. Karim, here is one thing I would like to know from you. So, when we talk about humans, it is said that, the packaged food that is available in the market, we should, avoid, the consumption of those packed foods or those particular products. But when it comes to animals, I mean, is it also harmful for them to, make them consume those packed foods or those market available products?
Packed food means which type of packed food? Like you are saying about the commercial foods of dogs.
Yeah, the commercial foods, which is,
So
I mean, not cooked by humans.
from the very first, I told you that a pet parent should check and for this particular queries, a pet parent
Okay.
should consult to the doctor first.
Okay.
To come for that because all commercial foods are not suitable for all animals actually. Some people can digest royal canin and some animals can digest royal canin and some animals can't digest royal canin.
Okay.
Some animals can digest pedigree and others can't. Some can digest
Mm-hmm.
formina and others can't. So from the very beginning, we have to start with a few amount of that. If the animal vomits or if we see that it's not suitable for the animal, we have to change that, and then we have to consult to the
Okay.
doctor. But before that, before go starting any type of feeding, like
Mm-hmm.
recently I've got a case like a owner came to me. He has purchased a dog from some place, and he came here. What should I give to eat to my? It is a it should parents should be aware of this. Just to come first to the doctor. First of all, they have to consult with the doctor first with the proper guidance. Okay. So after that, they can start a commercial feeding. Which will doctor recommend? First of all, you have to check the patient thoroughly. After that, we will suggest that you can start this commercial food, not that commercial food. We will tell them after that. So if sometimes we can see that, sir, I have many owners call me and they used to say to me that, sir, I have given the farming food and they used to farm it. That means it's not suitable for him. Let's go for the another brand. So first of all, any type of commercial foods, so you have to start with a very small quantity. So you'll be aware. After that, you will get aware that it's suitable for them or not. If it's suitable, then go for it with consultation with doctor. Actually, they will remain with they will carry on the regular consultation with the doctor at least for a week that it's suitable or not.